All right, hi friends, we're back and we're getting ready to do a little bit of math today. Last week we started talking about position words, and we also know that those position words are called prepositions, and we're using prepositions that we use in writing, but we're also going to use them in math. So this week we're going to start talking about these two ideas, these two directions, in front of and behind. Where have you ever heard us use the phrase in front of? Have you ever used that before somewhere to tell someone what to do? We use it a lot of time in our classroom, right? Our star goes in front of the line. So today, Ellie, she's our star, she would be in front of the line. This idea, behind. Where do we use the word behind? Very good. You always join a line behind the person that was there, right? Mrs. Rooney says it all the time. You join a line behind the person that is standing there. Very good. So today we're going to talk about in front of and behind. And I brought along two friends today to help me with that. I brought along two to help me with that. I brought along. Okay, so I brought in Penguin and I brought in the hedgehog. Cormac lent these to me from his bedroom. So we're going to talk about in front of and behind using Penguin and Hedgehog, okay? If I place Penguin like this, I can't really see Hedgehog, can I? I just see him peeking out there, right? I would say the Penguin is in front of the Hedgehog. That means Hedgehog is right. He's behind the Penguin, right? If I switch them around now, which Hedgehog will be much happier about, he is in front of the Penguin, and the Penguin is behind the Hedgehog. Very good. Okay, so we talked about in front of and behind. What I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and stand up wherever you are, and I'd like you to practice. I'd like you to stand in front of your chair. Can you do that for me? Okay, and say it with me. I am in front of the chair. Now I want you to stand behind the chair. Okay? And let's practice saying it. I am behind the chair. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to take the Penguin. All right. So the Penguin is in front of Mrs. Rooney. And now the Penguin is, where is he? Is he peeking out? Is he peeking out for you? He is behind me. Very good. He is behind me. Okay. Now what I'd like you to do is go ahead and open up your math book, and I'd like you to open up to page 589. 589, okay? And like we always do, I want you to put your name up at the top for me, okay? All right, now let's take a look in our math book. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to find the sandcastle, okay? Can you find that sandcastle and put your finger on it? Very good. All right. Now, I want you to draw a box around the object that is in front of the sandcastle. So here's our sandcastle. And if I want to draw a box around the object that is in front of the sandcastle, what would I draw my box around? Very good. I would draw it around the sail ship. Okay, good job. All right. Now, what I'd like you to do is find the ladies. Okay, here are the ladies. Can you draw an X on the objects or on the animals that are in front of the ladies? What animals are in front of the ladies? Very good. The crabs are in front of the ladies. So we're going to put an X on each of them. Good job. All right, now here is the dolphin. Okay, and he's swimming this way. He's swimming this way. I want to draw a fish that is behind the dolphin. So if I'm looking at the dolphin right here, where would I draw a fish? Let's draw a fish. Where would I draw a fish behind the dolphin? Would I put it here? No, that would be in front of the dolphin. I would put it right back here behind the dolphin. Okay? So we put a box around the ship that is in front of the sandcastle. I put an X on the crabs that are in front of the ladies. And I drew a fish behind the dolphin. Good job. Okay, go ahead and turn your page. Put your finger on number 1 in the blue circle. Put your finger on number 1 in the blue circle. Okay? Can you trace the box around the object that is in front of the school? What object is in front of the school? If you said the sheep, good job. And we'll draw a box around that sheep. Okay, good job. Okay, look at number 2 in the blue circle. Look at that picture, number 2 in the blue circle. Can you put an X on the object that is behind the plastic tube? Here's the plastic tube. Where is the object that is behind that plastic tube? Very good. If you put an X on the box, good job. Okay, let's look at number 3 in the blue circle. Okay, I want you to draw an X on each student that is in front of the bus. So let's take a look at the bus. We have 2 groups of children, this group of children and this group of children. Which group of children is in front of the bus? Very good. These children are in front of the bus because if I look, so we're going to put an X on each of them. If I look at these children, they are inside the bus. Very good. All right, put your finger on number 4 in the blue circle. Can you find the raccoon that is in front of the slide and draw a box around it? So right here, which raccoon is in front of the slide? Very good. And we're going to draw a box around it. Very good. All right, let's go over to number 5 in the blue circle. Can you draw a box around the animal that is behind the alligator? Can you draw a box around the animal that is behind the alligator? Take a look at the 2 animals. Which one is behind the alligator? Very good. If you said the turtle, you got it. Okay, move on to number 6. I want to find the animal that is in front of the cat and put an X on it. So here's the cat. Which animal is behind the cat? And we're going to put an X on, an X on the animal that is in front of the cat. So if you accidentally did behind, erase that. I want to put an X on the animal that is in front of the cat. Is it the zebra or is it the bird? Very good. It is the bird. Okay, let's look at number 7 in the blue circle. I see the hippo. In number 7, I want to draw a box around the animal that is behind the hippo. So look at the 2 animals here. Which one is behind the hippo? Very good. The kangaroo is behind the hippo. All right. In number 8, I would like you to draw a person. Okay. Who's going this way? Can you draw a flower behind the person? Very good. We will draw a flower behind the person because the person's going this way and we'll draw the flower behind them. Very good. All right, go ahead and turn to this page. Number 9 in the blue circle. Number 9 in the blue circle, okay? We've got the 3 little bears. Listen very carefully. Can you find the girl that is in front of the house? So here's the house. Can you find the girl that is in front of the house? And can you put an X on her? So here's the house. Where's the girl that's in front of the house? Very good. So we're going to put an X on the girl that is in front of the house. Okay? Now, can you find the flower pot that is in front of the house? Here's the house. Where's the flower pot that is in front of the house? Now here's a flower pot and here's a flower pot. Which of these is in front of the house? Very good. This one is in front of the house. Okay? Now, can you draw a circle around the flower pot that is behind another flower pot? So that means we need to find two flower pots, okay? So let's take a look over here, okay? Which flower pot is behind the other flower pot? Which one is behind the other flower pot? Very good. This one is. So we're going to draw a circle around it. Because this flower pot is in front, this flower pot is behind. Good job. All right, now, can you find the bear that is behind the raccoon? Okay, let's put our finger. Here's the raccoon. Which bear is behind the raccoon? Is Papa Bear behind him? Is Mama Bear behind him? Or is it Baby Bear behind him? Very good. Baby Bear is the bear that's behind the raccoon. All right, my friends, great job with in front of and behind. Today, while you're doing things, as you walk around your house, take a look around. See if you can find things that are in front of other things and see if you can find things that are behind other things, okay? Remember, you're going to look for things that are in front of things and things that are behind things. All right, great job on your math, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.